Okay, in this Easter 1-minute tip, let's talk about 9 different text message strategies that your church could consider going into Easter. Number 1 is you can utilize text messaging to encourage your people to be inviting, and I'll explain that in more detail in the next tip. Number 2, you can use text to recruit volunteers. 3, you can use it to remind your volunteer teams and all your teams. Number 4, you can use it to amplify your social media strategies, which I really love that one. That's a sneaky one. Number 5, you can offer digital connection cards. Number 6, you can ask and encourage your people to be praying. Number 7, and an extremely important one, you can follow up with your Easter guests. Number 8, you can invite people back the next week, super effective in your follow-up. And number 9, you can always utilize it for continued follow-up, for like inviting people back to your next big events that you're having coming up. Mother's Day, back to church, back to fall, Christmas. You can go on a long-term relationship journey with people. So those are 9 different ideas. I'll explain a few more in the next few tips.